Hello, my name is Jordan Gary, and this is the Group 2 website presentation. The first thing that I'm going to be talking about is our technical solutions. Our group has created a prototype website for the Middle Georgia State University Library Research Guides for Dana Casper, who is our project stakeholder. The project stakeholder wanted our group to analyze the current research guide page and determine if it could be more streamlined and have a more user-friendly design for its users. When our group completed a user task analysis, our results showed that many users believed that the website was unappealing and difficult to use. We decided that we wanted our main focus for the website was to be more user-friendly and attractive. Our prototype that our group created will allow for easy transformation into the original system if the stakeholders decide to move forward with the project. Our new design contains an eye-appealing design that is more likely to draw in users. We also ensured that the streamlined user interface as well as easy accessibility. Our group has included many other features that ensures that we have created a great website for the users and the stakeholders. Our prototype was created without any funds allocated by the library. The only expense to the project is the salaries of our group members. First, we completed a no-expense infrastructure feasibility process to determine what needed to be upgraded to the website. If the stakeholder wants to implement our system into the current version, it would not cost a separate fee to be transferred in. Next, I'm going to be talking about the social impact potential. We have created an eye-appealing website that we believe will draw in more users and keep them using it. We have also added in more icons to make the website easier to use and understand. Our team is also readily available for any changes or questions the stakeholders may have, and we are willing to help implement and give suggestions on how to incorporate our website. The stakeholders can either use our full design, or they can choose what feature they like best and allow us to implement that certain code. Our stakeholders have also been providing feedback throughout the process of our project. We have adapted our design based on their needs. We have completed this project to meet their standards and what they also believe is the best for the website in order for it to be most effective. Our user task analysis that we performed allowed us to get a true measure of what the average user thought about the original website, which we used to design our new prototype. The likelihood of success. We believe our prototype website and database would be in the best interest of the Middle Georgia State Library to implement because our design reflects exactly what was asked for by the stakeholders, as well as feedback from the user task analysis. If the stakeholder agrees to move forward with the website and database prototype, the stakeholder has many methods of implementation. First, the stakeholder could completely remove the current system and implement our code directly. Or the stakeholder could choose which features they like out of our prototype and allow us to implement those features specifically. In that case, we would also redesign features that we have included to better fit the stakeholder needs if they would like us to change some features. Our group's vision in this project was to streamline the process and look of the current research guide page. Through the use of the user task analysis, our group was able to identify the needed changes to aim towards a better experience for users. Our video will also explain the various changes to the site along with other aspects that can be implemented on the current site. Our group believes that we have created a prototype that will be more useful to our stakeholders compared to our competitors because we believe we have taken the goals of the stakeholders wanted and expanded them even more to create a design that will ensure more web traffic due to its extreme ease of use and visual appeal. Our design also includes many numerous features at no cost to our stakeholders, including the ability to easily manage and merge our design into the current design. Next, we will include a preview of our website design. Thank you.
Hello, this is Joshua Evans with Capstone Team 2's demonstration video part 2 showing the technical aspects of the proposed changes to Middle Georgia State University Library's Research Guide homepage and various subpages. To begin with, we did user task analysis on the live site using a variety of students, and most of their comments revolved around these three facts: unappealing on the eyes, hard to navigate, and walls of text. Now, as you can see here on the live site, with the white background and the emphasis on the layout of the text, the students said that it was hard to navigate and it didn't flow through well for them. So after doing the UTAs and looking at the sites ourselves, we come up with these proposed changes. The background we're going to change to gray. Now, when we did that during implementation, we learned that the bottom part of this logo kind of disappears. So we're going to switch to the solid purple logo. We're going to box in each of the schools to draw offices to the schools and kind of break up the layout or the wall of text, as the students have said. We're going to take the text schools with the boxes, and line them across the top in 2 rows of 3 columns, and then move the make an appointment with the librarian to the bottom left. So that way you have all the text across the top and the icons across the bottom. We're setting the layout for the future templates of the sub pages. Now, after we proposed these changes and we made these layout sheets, this is our proposed live site. As you can see, we boxed in the schools. We did purple across the top to draw more emphasis to the different schools. And the way the boxes are set up, it kind of breaks up the wall of text, gives the eyes something to bounce to easily. You have the logo to make an appointment, and your chat box across the bottom, and it allows uniformity across the pages. And you can see the logo. So now when you go to one of the sub pages, we're using the English page here. They liked the box format. As you can see, we pulled that and put it into the main website, the main homepage of the website. But the white background is just walls of text is what they disliked, and they couldn't figure out what they were actually looking for on this page or where to find it. So after going through the UTAs and looking at the site ourselves, we proposed these changes. We're going to go back with the purple logo because we're going to do the gray background showing uniformity between all the pages. Up here in the welcome, we're going to have the welcome. We're going to put a disclaimer stating, this is an English page. You're going to find MLA formats and stuff. Basically, if like an IT student comes in, they're looking for APA, they can glance at the disclaimer and go, okay, this is not the right page. Go back and not spend time browsing through the page when what they're looking for is on a different page. A couple things we're going to do is we're going to follow the same uniformity. Purple across the top of the borders. We're going to switch the related course guides to the bottom left, kind of following the same layout of the home page. Move the box to the top, the Find Library Books to the top right, kind of put the text across the top. We're actually going to switch the English database and general database because we're going to put all the general information at the beginning and then the more specialized information towards the bottom. Now, as you can see we're proposing is icons beside the links in the databases for a variety of reasons. One, to break up the text and break up just the walls of text and kind of get the eye's ability to easily snap to. And as you will point out when I go to our proposed page, which we're going to now, it allows their eyes to snap to it and go, okay, that's Galileo. That's what I'm looking for. Or I'm looking for PortalQuest. They see the logo. They go, okay, this is where I need to go click. This also helps visually impaired students that may have issues just looking at walls of text. If they see the icon or logo of that, they can go easily jump to it. We follow the same layout with the purple tops of the boxes. We have the logo here as we went back like on the main proposed site. Logos on the bottom, kind of just show a uniformity between the websites. Right. Now, we built our website, as you can see here, completely in HTML code. And the reason we did that is it allows for the librarians to go through and either implement the entire website page as we proposed, or if they want, pull different sections out that they prefer, because they use a software called libapps. Now, as a disclaimer, we don't have access to this due to security reasons. So we have this help guide here, and as I was referring to before, they can, with libapps, it allows them to either do use a user interface to put like, I want a block here or text box here, and they can put it there, or they can implement code directly into the software, as you can tell right here, where they can upload customization files. This is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, various different coding languages of how you want to customize your page. Now, we proposed for training, we train our stakeholder, Dana Casper. We will use this document and show her the different parts we have, how to put them in, and we can record this for future reference of either for if she wants us to train the new other librarians, or if she wants to take the video herself and use it as a training guide. But as of right now, this is our proposed, as you can see, our proposed website and the proposed technical aspect trainings. And that concludes our video.